I like this. I love what he's saying. I love his things are so level-headed, so substantive. You could really derive future market performance based on these metrics. Obviously not for trading, but I'm saying it is a meaningful insight into what the future is going to look like. And I'll show you guys why right here. He says a very friendly reminder that 99% of macro people got no idea what they're talking about. Did you know that the CPI dropped from 13% to zero without any rate hikes? Fed rate does not need to be above CPI. I'm mentally disabled and I'm still long. See you friends in 2024. And obviously, so this is the inflation. This is the CPI, and the blue one is the Fed rate hikes. And it's showing here there was massive inflation in 1940, which peaked out with pretty much no rate hikes, and then obviously massive inflation, I guess in 46, no rate hikes, it went down. So I really like what he's saying because I hear people like Peter Schiff saying that the Federal Reserve needs to hike rates above the rate of inflation in order for inflation to come down. That is not true. That is not true. Um, Rate hikes obviously help tame inflation, and you can see from later on in the graph, it really shows like there was inflation. The Fed's hiked, went down. Fed's hike went down. Here they hiked above it, went down, whatever. But inflation goes. It's very hard. Prolonged, sustained high rate of inflation is very hard to maintain because when prices go up, you spend less. That's the overall thing, and that's what I really like about what he's bringing up, and that's why I'm very optimistic that inflation has topped, and inflation will go back to the Fed 2% target, and they'll be able to bring rates down, and just in time for the bear market, if not a significant time before that. But what's your thoughts on that, Ben?
I like everything you just said, man, and I think you know
Yes.
more about this than I do. So you kind of had explained this to me before. So yeah, I'm really learning a lot about the macro stuff. If we're on the Dunning Kruger chart, I'm in the Valley of Despair.
I don't know the chart,
When
but
it comes to macro, this kind of stuff.
just a matter of time. You'll get there. Don't worry. That's the thing. A lot of people in crypto, they don't really understand finance and economics. So they think that, oh, yeah, inflation's going to go crazy and then Bitcoin's going to $500 million. It's like, no, that's not how the world works. I'm sorry. Bitcoin is not a store of value by any means. It's not a safe haven asset. That was really the moral of this current bear market.